In this video, you'll be learning everything that pertains how to make a Chuka boot. So we'll be drafting the pattern of how to make a Chuka boot here. Of course, Chuka boots are ankle boots. Shoes that extends to the top line extends to your ankle. Alright. So first of all, when it comes to making a shoe, of course you have to bring out your pattern, your paper pattern. So that's what I'm trying to do. I have my shoelast. Of course, the right leg is what I want to use, so I'm trying to wrap up my shoelast using the masking tape. That's what I'm still doing. But please, before we continue this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Alright, that's what I mean. And ask your questions. When you finish watching this video, ask your questions if you have questions. And then you can also copy the link of our videos to share on your social media platforms. You can check out other videos in our channel, and you can also support us in cash. My details are on your screen. So if you appreciate our work, you can send in your support. We are in need of industrial machines. Alright, we need a presser, we need a cutter, we need also shoe polisher, lots of machines that we need, or even lasting machines, cutting machines. So if you want to support our dreams, right, use the details on your screen. So once you're done wrapping up, you first take, or you divide your last into 2 equal half by drawing a straight line, right? Once you have your straight line, carve out your arc. That's your quarter arc. That's what I just did. Now you are going to take it from the heel, close to the heel, like the heel region. Take the arc. From there, you now create your quarter from the top, the shoe opening. Now as the last opening. Look at what I'm talking about. This cut here. Now you bring out the curve from the opening down to where your quota is stopping. Your quota extension. From there, you now create or cut out along your line, and also take off your excesses. What I mean by your excesses, those parts that you are not using, the part of the masking tape you're not using, cut it out. Then create your shoe eyelet region. Alright, now if you check very well, I did not create my top line on the last. Why? Because this particular shoe will have an extension. It will have extension, so the top line will be extended on the paper. So watch what I'm doing. So when you're making a Chuka boots, your ankle boots, you don't create the top line on top of your last, except maybe you have a tall last or maybe a boot last, then you can bring it out there. But if you're using this type of last that does not have extension upward, then you have to be the one to create the extension on your paper. So you would first detach. Once you're done cutting, you detach and fold your paper into 2. Why? Because that is for placement of quota. If you're placing your quota, make sure you place your paper into 2. Alright, then bring it down carefully. Avoid wrinkles. From there, you add your tongue, add up your tongue, have it out. Right, have it out. Then you also add your stitching allowance. Watch what I'm doing. So if you have questions, ask your questions, please. This is ABC Shoes, the best place to be when it comes to learning shoemaking on the internet or even offline, right? You can reach out to us using our number displaying on your screen. +2349035539885. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to copy the link and share to others on your social media platforms on internet. On Facebook, you can follow us on Facebook at JTPCows, J space then Typicals, right? On Facebook. On TikTok also you can follow us using JTPCows, right? So once you detach your quota, please do not fold your quota into two. Unlike the vamp that you have to fold into two, don't fold your quota into two. Just place it the way it is, then add your extension to the top. Watch how I'm going to do it. Add it to the top. Make your cuff, right? Watch. It's been done. Make your extension, carve it out carefully. Carve your top line now, right? So you have it. Exactly. Carve it out. Add your lasting allowance carefully. Then you cut. Carefully cut out your pattern. Now if you're enjoying this video, please give us a like so YouTube algorithm will recognize that the video is an educative one and an interesting one, so that it can also spread the video across YouTube for more and larger audience. Thank you for watching us. Now this is the pattern for this amazing Chuka boot. Thanks for watching. God bless you.